In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Xbox Elite controller not connecting. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If your Xbox Elite controller is having trouble connecting to any Xbox console that you have, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to fix this. So for the simplest fixes, first, make sure that it has sufficient battery. If you notice that when you try to press the sync button or the Xbox button itself, nothing lights up, it could indicate poor battery. Sometimes it might be struggling with battery even after you believe that you have charged it, so I would highly recommend trying to charge it for some minutes just to be sure, or until the battery charges completely. To do this, for the Elite controller, the newer models, you simply have to plug it in with a USB cable. Usually this is going to be USB-C, so you plug it into the controller, and then you plug it into a suitable USB-A power source, which can be the console as well. So once it is sufficiently charged or even charged to 100%, try again, and then just press the Xbox button to power it on, and then the sync button to synchronize it with the console. If your specific model of controller uses battery, then open the cover at the back and insert the necessary amount. If you are sure that the problem is not the battery and you still see the LED indicators light up and stuff like that, then the problem could be attributed to the cable. I would highly recommend using a new cable, like the one from your phone, just to connect it to the console. Don't worry, you will be able to use it wirelessly. We're only using the cable to establish the connection once, so plug the cable into the controller and then the other end into the console. See if a connection was established. If the connection was established, then you can go ahead and remove this cable, and then it should remain connected. As long as the controller gets detected once, you will be good to go. Now, if you don't want to do this method or it still doesn't work, then we can try to establish the wireless connection once more. To do this, reset the connection altogether. So I would recommend powering off both the console and also the controller. So press the Xbox button on the controller until it is grayed out, and also plug your Xbox outside of the wall. So unplug it is what I mean. After both of them have been powered off, you will be able to power them on again, so power cycle, and then press the connect button on both of them. First, press it on the Xbox console, and then press the synchronize or connect button on the Xbox Elite controller. Place them in close proximity, and they should be able to detect each other. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix Xbox Elite controller not connecting. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.